How does Klarna work? Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to Klarna. What is Klarna exactly? What is going to be beneficial for you as a shopper or a business owner, and also how things work within this platform. So, Klarna is going to be a platform that will rely both of shoppers and also business owners. That means it is going to be nearly a marketplace. So that marketplace is going to be suggesting for you tons of product as a customer or a shopper. And in the meanwhile, you're going to get here a benefit of paying the amount or the full amount of the product into for settlement. You can put that settlement into 1 month or a whole month, or it is going to be over time if you cannot put that in 30 days. So that is going to be over time. So the benefits for this platform is going to have here some comparative prices, as you can see. So you are going to have here the best offers on the products. You can see here if you are going to head over Klarna.com, then you are going to scroll down a little bit. You're going to see all the products or the popular products with the specific section in here, so you are going to get all the discounts available and the stores that we have. So this was for the shoppers. Now let's talk about the business a little bit. Then we are going to be back to the other benefits. So for the businesses, it is going to be a great solution and also a marketing purpose that will give you a large scale for reaching out more traffic. With the help of the solutions that Klarna for Business has, for example, for the marketing and ad solution, we are going to see that we have some options like the marketing solutions in here, the influencer marketing, sales channels, and affiliate marketing. Let's talk about the creator platform that we have. So here you're going basically to have a marketplace for influencers. So if you are going to seek and want some specialized influencers that will get the job done. Now for the marketing solutions, as you can see, we're going to get the side of Klarna, which is going to be the good side, of course, and it is the smart marketing. So you're going to get recurring customers as long as they are going to have here the settlement or the payment settlement for the 4 times or monthly settlement. So that is going to be very beneficial for both businesses and also for shoppers. Now let's talk about the Klarna in general. So basically, you are a customer and you want to buy a product. It doesn't matter the brand of the product and it doesn't matter the type of the product. You do not have the total amount of that product, but you're going simply to have that product for the settlement of 4 payments. So that means in the 30 days that you are going to get the product, you're going to pay it 4 times. So you're going to have interest free pricing or amount. You're going to have for settlement at least. And if you are not capable of putting the for settlement at time, you're going to have the overtime. So that means that you're going to set it up as a monthly payment in here. So here, what is the benefit of this for the customer, or the influence of this, or the impact of this type of payment to the customer? Basically, you're going to encourage the customer to buy products that they are going to have and need, but into the settlement of payment. And that is going to be very attracting for the customers. And for the businesses, it is going to have a lot of customers, or let's say here, tons of traffic and genuine leads that will buy products from the store for that specific business. So, for example, we're going to have here this PS5. I do not have in the current time the full amount of 400 or 600 $115. So I can buy this PS5 with the help of Klarna for setting up for payment settlement. And that is going to be the exact amount divided by 4. So if you are going to have the calculator setting up, you're going to have, at least this is just a calculation, divided by 4. So I'm going to pay here 130 or 153.76 per settlement, and that is going to be in the 30 days. So if you are going to have this amount for the whole 30 days, for example 4 times, with interest free. So if I can't afford the 153.76, for example, within the 30 days that I have in the settlement, I can go ahead and set up here, let's say, a delay. So I'm going to put a monthly payment into that store. So it is going to accept automatically this demand, and we are going to get our PS5 paid in 3, 4, or 5 months. So here we are going to be back in the landing page. So you're going to see the categories of shopping. So we have also the Klarna card that will help you here to get a Visa card from Klarna. So you're going to have a Visa card that is going to help you shop and also get cash back from the stores. And also you're going to have the full marketplace that you can buy from. As you can see, we have some categories, and not some, but all the categories. It is going to be resembling the Amazon or the eBay websites or platforms. So, speaking of Amazon and eBay, Klarna also could be used on these platforms, on Amazon, also eBay, because it is going to be a payment method integrated within the checkout of these platforms. So, it is going to be well known, helpful, and also very sophisticated. Let's talk about the features that Klarna will present for you as a customer or as a shopper. So it is going to propose for you a large marketplace for all of the brands, stores, and etc. So for example, you're going to see all the stores that we have, for example, Amazon, Walmart, Nike, Target, Google Store, and etc. So you are going to filter from all of these stores the ones that you are interested in, and also you can go ahead and visit them and see all of the interesting products that you can buy with the help of Klarna with a payment settlement. The second feature is going to be the Klarna app. So basically, you are going to download this app into your mobile phone, and this will help you to create an account, and you're going to shop on the go. That means that you are going to have everything in your phone without checking up with the desktop website. So the third one is going to be the browser extension, and this is designed for the laptop. Basically, you are going to install this extension or the Klarna extension, and you're going to get the benefits of the automatic detection of coupons and also the price comparator. So you are going to see here if the shop is going to be, let's say, a Klarna classified or Klarna certified shop, or also the rating or set up the payment settlement if you have, or if this option is available in the store. So also we have the Klarna Plus that will help you here get some more premium features that you're going to get. For example, you're going to skip or not have the service fees into some of the websites that have a convention with Klarna. And the last one is going to be earning money when you shop with Klarna with the cash backs. So you're going to get some cash backs whenever you are going to shop from a store, and this will help you to get a balance. This is called Klarna Balance. Basically, that was all for today's video. I think that we have talked about everything within Klarna, how it is going to be used for the shops and also for the shoppers. Each one of the details that we have, it is going to be, in my opinion, a very good platform that will help us shop in our daily basis, and also a very good substitute for the payment settlement that other platforms that will provide us. But here, everything is going to be all in one place. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.